Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by SMS for events on your PC. With this new update, you'll never miss an important event again. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with your recent notifications. But we're not interested in those right now. Instead, look for three little dots in the top right corner of this drop-down. Click on those three dots to reveal more options. From the new menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Now, scroll down the list of notification types until you find Events. Click on it to expand the options for event notifications. You'll see several ways to receive notifications about events, including push notifications and email. What we're looking for is the SMS option. Look for a toggle switch next to SMS. Click on this toggle to turn it on. It should turn blue, indicating that it's now active. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for Facebook events on your PC. From now on, you'll receive text messages about events you're interested in, events you've been invited to, and updates to events you're attending. This feature is incredibly useful for staying on top of your social calendar without having to constantly check Facebook. Whether it's a friend's birthday party, a local community event, or a big concert, you'll get all the important details sent straight to your phone. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. If you find you're getting too many messages, you can easily turn off the SMS notifications or customize which types of event updates you receive. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by SMS for events on your PC. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and updates. See you in the next video.